from creating vaccine passports.
Our Julie Dunmeyer starts us off live tonight from the newsroom after listening in on that meeting. Julie.
Doug, before you hear this story, one thing you need to know is that there's no legislation requiring vaccine passports proposed by state or federal government at this time.
The House Oversight Committee will come to order.
Banning vaccine passports when they don't even exist. State Rep Sue Aller presenting House Bill 4667, which attempts to ban the government from creating vaccine passports.
It is generally believed in the United States that individuals have a right to privacy of their personal medical information that that the individual may not want others to know.
No such attempts to create vaccine passports or require them in Michigan or federally have been made. Still, Rep. Aller wants to assure they won't be, citing concerns hackers could gain information from people illegally.
With the compilation of an individual's health data in a digital system, potentially prevent that individual from going to school, obtaining or keeping a job, visiting a museum, or seeing a ball game.
State Representative Julie Brixey careful to point out the language of the bill could negatively affect the medical community.
So you didn't consult any health professionals or anything in the preparation of the bill?
No.
By limiting the information they share.
I've read the bill, and it would prohibit all healthcare providers from recording and accessing state of Michigan data on COVID-19 vaccination status of Michigan residents. So do you understand the implications of that?
As written, Brixey says the bill could be interpreted to ban the keeping of all vaccine records, a concern Brixey says medical professionals have cautioned her about. Representative Aller's team explaining that's not the intention with the bill.
My concern is with regard to the vaccine passport and the tracking and monitoring of individuals and potentially preventing an individual from going grocery shopping, from going to the theater, from doing an activity of daily life if they have not had the vaccine.
Dozens voicing their concerns from communities of people injured by vaccines and those medically unable to get the COVID shot.
People who cannot vaccinate and people who will not vaccinate not only become an instant minority in those states, but they also become an instant discriminated minority.
The chair of the House of the Oversight Committee saying they hope to vote on this bill next week after amendments are made. Live in the newsroom, Julie Dunmeyer, Fox 17 News.